Hello amigos, my name is Jatin and welcome to my channel TECHYRATORS. This is our next video in RHCSA preparation series, and our today's topic is how to create swap partition in Linux operating system. So in this video we know how to create the swap partition. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video now. So just open your terminal first. This is our terminal. So in this video we are learning about how to create swap partition. So for that, just you need to first create a partition with the fdisk/dev/vda, enter, and we have two partition. One swap is already exist, but we are creating another swap partition. Let's say for n we are primary partition, and the third number, first sector by default is blank. Now we are creating swap partition of 152 MB, let's say. So created a new partition 3 of type Linux and size 152 MB. So first we have to change its type. Third, yes, you can type L to list the codes. These are the codes. Now you have to find the swap name. Type of the partition in Linux swap solarize. Just zoom out a little bit so that we can identify every option. Yes, this is the perfect size. So we need to find Linux swap solarize partition. We are unable to find one. Linux LVM, Linux plain text, Linux extended. Yeah, the 82 number is a Linux swap solarize. So just simply type 82 and enter. And when you type P, there's a Linux swap solarize. Zoom in a little bit so you can see it further. Now we have created a partition with the type Linux swap solarize. Now we have to w4 save and quit, part probe to refresh it. Now vi/etc/fs tab. So we have now want to mount it. /dev/vda3, and the location is swap, the file system is swap, and defaults 0 0. Yes. So before entering into the fs tab, we need to give it the file system mkswap/dev/vda3. So this is how you can give a file system to a swap partition, mkswap command. Now just swap on -a and swap on, enter. So you see a partition dav3 of 152 MB is a swap partition created now. Used is 0 and has the priority -3. So this is how you can create a swap partition in a Linux operating system. And this is all about the partitioning. Now this is also the important part of our RHCSA preparation series. So watch this and practice this. Now we can meet you in the next video. So this is the end of the video. Now take care and bye bye.